Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function object. Hi, Python developers. In today's video, we're exploring the object function, a lesser-known but fundamental part of Python. By the end of this video, you'll understand what object is, when to use it, and how it fits into the Python object model. Let's get started. What is the object function? It's a built-in Python function that creates a new, featureless object. Here's the syntax. Note that object takes no arguments. It returns a new instance of the most basic object in Python. So why use object? It's the base for all Python classes and serves as the foundation for Python's object model. Here are some key concepts. Every Python class implicitly inherits from the object class, unless specified otherwise. It's a minimal object, meaning it has no attributes or methods other than those provided by Python's default object class. And it's often used as a placeholder, as a parent class in custom class hierarchies. So you'd use object when creating a placeholder object with no specific functionality. When you're building custom class hierarchies where object serves as the parent class. Or when you're implementing advanced concepts like singleton patterns or markers in your code. Let's start with a simple example of creating a basic object. Here, object creates a minimal object. It doesn't have custom attributes or method, but it exists as a valid Python object. The object function is often used as a placeholder or marker in your code. Let's see an example. In this example, object serves as a unique marker to detect whether the default value is used. Object is the ultimate parent class in Python. Let's create a custom class that directly inherits from it. Here, my base class inherits from object, and the instance is recognized as an object. Each call to object creates a new, unique object. Let's verify this. Even though both are created using object, they are distinct objects with unique memory locations. Here are some important points about object. It's immutable. You can't add or modify attributes directly on it. Use it when you need a minimal, unique object without any specific functionality. It's the base class for all Python classes, making it central to Python's object-oriented design. And that's the object function. To recap, it creates a basic featureless object. It's the foundation for all Python classes, and it's perfect for placeholders, markers, or base classes in custom hierarchies. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!